Altobelli. He was a coach, a colleague, a mentor, and a friend at OCC for 27 years. The Coast Athletic Director, Jason Keller, says John meant so much to not only Orange Coast College, but to baseball. He truly personified what it means to be a baseball coach. In 2019, he was honored by the American Baseball Coaches Association as a Diamond National Coach of the Year, which is a testament to his incredible work ethic and passion for the game. They're asking for privacy for John's family as well. And CNN is reporting that John's wife and daughter were also on the helicopter as well.
And so we're giving all of this focus to Kobe and Gigi, and rightfully so, but now you've got families down in Orange County that are dealing with the loss of John and members of his family. They're taking it the same way many of the fans up here who maybe didn't know Kobe Bryant or never interacted with Kobe Bryant, but they're feeling the pain of all of this today, and now we find out that our friends down in the OC are dealing with this.
We have Chip Yost heading to the college right now, but according to the tweet from CNN, it's Harry Altobelli, and it does say they were on the helicopter with Kobe Bryant.
Well, that's 5 of the 9 that we're now getting identities to. Of course, we still don't know who the pilot was. There are still 3 other people other than the pilot that have not been identified at this point, but certainly their families and their friends are grieving right along with the rest of us tonight. You're looking at